The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County until 4 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Capella to Shacktown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, Kernersville, Clements, Bermuda Run, Huntsville, Louisville, Walkertown, Rural Hall, Frosttown, and Values Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Forsyth, North Carolina,